20 advanced English words that are actually easy to use. Want to sound smarter without memorizing complicated words? Here are 20 advanced English words that are easy to use in real life. Let's go. Ultimately, we chose the best option. Significant, important. This is a significant improvement. Clarify, make clear. Can you clarify your point? Initiate, start. She initiated the conversation. Despite the rain, we continued. Quickfire round. Use these like a pro. Assist, help maintain, keep require, need determine, decide aware, no concern, worry acquire, get respond, reply indicate, show increase, grow brief, short approach, method or move toward mention, say avoid, stay away, consider, think about. These words are in emails, meetings, and daily conversations. Not too formal, just a level up. So next time, skip help and say assist. Skip need and say require. Upgrade your words. Upgrade your confidence. Follow for more smart English that's easy to use.